Namaste, Hare Krishna. I'm Srinivas from Mumbai and I'm connected to ISKCON. I've been practicing spirituality since last 15 years and I've been exploring kirtan practice and different musics in ISKCON, and I'm a lead singer. I play harmonium and mridangam as well. So we have a group also who does kirtan at various occasions, and then I also released few tracks in YouTube, and it has got a good response. Then my interest started to explore about how the music is made and tracks are created right from the scratch, how it is being produced. So I started, developing interest, and then I found on internet few classes and I visited. So then I came across Beatpro music production, and I went through the curriculum and I met Mickey sir, and then he explained me about where I'm lacking and where I have to improve. Then I started the course and I've started learning many things in music production. I've learned Cubase, and then various instruments and also softwares that are involved. So I got to learn many things in this entire curriculum, and I'm really satisfied and heartfelt gratitude to Mickey sir the way the entire course has been gone through. And I'm exploring many things, and I'm expecting in next few months I'll be releasing very good tracks with a professional sound production. And yes, in next 2 months or 2 to 3 months, I'm going to be in a good position in the music production area.